The government botanical garden in Ooty, Tamil Nadu, is a lush paradise that attracts nature enthusiasts, botanists, and tourists alike. Established in 1848 by the British, the garden is spread over 55 acres on the slopes of the Databetta Peak. Managed by the Horticulture Department of Tamil Nadu, it boasts a rich collection of over 650 species of indigenous and exotic plants, including rare orchids, ferns, shrubs, medicinal herbs, and bonsai. A highlight of the garden is the glass house, an elegant structure that serves as a greenhouse for delicate plants and flowers. It is inspired by the Crystal Palace in London and the Lalbagh Glass House in Bangalore. The glass house hosts exhibitions, including rare and exotic plant species, and provides a controlled environment for nurturing ornamental plants. The tranquil ambiance, colorful floral beds, and well-maintained lawns make the Botanical Garden and Glass House in Ooty a must-visit destination. With its blend of history, horticultural richness, and scenic beauty, it offers a delightful experience for visitors seeking relaxation and admiration of nature's wonders. The garden is divided into 6 sections: the Lower Garden, New Garden, Italian Garden, Conservatory, Nurseries, and Fountain Terrace, each featuring distinct plant species and landscapes. The Ooty Flower Show, held annually in May, showcases an extraordinary display of flowers and attracts thousands of visitors. One of its unique attractions is the 20-million-year-old fossilized tree trunk, which fascinates visitors with its prehistoric significance. The terraced layout of the garden provides a mesmerizing view of neatly manicured lawns, vibrant flower beds, and rare plant species.